Hello Jenny and everyone. I'm An. My student number is S67686. Today I will presentation about service marketing for Commonwealth Bank. Commonwealth Bank is a financial service provider with multiple services. For example, credit card, debit card, insurance, superannuation, home loan, personal loan, or even overseas transaction. They are using both traditional and modern modern services through media marketing. They are using marketing mix as well to satisfy current customer and get attention from potential customer. The next one I will go to talk about people. As we know, banker staff is an important role in the service banking. They interact with the customer and so they issue on an everyday basis. Banker attitudes can deeply affect customer behavior and attitude toward their service. A successful bank depends on how staff deliver their service to the customer. The next one is process. Process is a service activities. For example, customer walk into the bank and then they usually see the staff stay in front of the bank to ask customer about the details and which service they want that day. About the physical evidence in Commonwealth Bank is very convenient. For example, Commonwealth Bank in Melbourne Central, usually they offer a long sofa for customer to comfortable to sit down while waiting for the service. Customer can easily access to the ATM at many various locations around the city and the Starbucks. As well as a small business don't need to wait to deposit their coins in as Commonwealth Bank ATM has a coin deposit function as well as another language to help customers who can't understand English. For example, they have Vietnamese language and Chinese language. About the product, Commonwealth Bank product offer a lot of different types of product to its customers, such as bank account, personal loans, and insurance service for properties and product like phone, laptop, house, cars, or domestic and international cash transfers. Customers have many options in their personal account at different interest rates and features. Place is one of the best convenient for Commonwealth Bank to provide their service. Commonwealth Bank have over 1,100 branches in Australia and over than 4,300 ATM machines. Customer can also conveniently use the smart internet banking everywhere and anytime. They go places and anytime, anywhere and anytime they go via digital devices like smartphone, laptop, tablet, computer. For example, customer don't have to pay any fees for the first year use rent of credit cards, and students don't pay fee for using everyday account smart access. Promotion is one of the marketing strategy to increase the customer increase the number of the customer using the service or product. Commonwealth Bank is willing to invest in many promotion methods to increase banking image in customer minds as well as attract potential customer. I can give one example like Commonwealth Bank have many campaigns every year in universities to convince students to use their service. Not only that, Commonwealth Bank they fully utilize social media marketing to engage their clients via sites like Facebook, Twitter, um, as well as traditional advertising vehicles like television, newspapers, and billboard. About the recommendation for 7 Bs in service marketing, first of all, Commonwealth Bank should give their employee more trainings to improve customer satisfaction, and make sure all the time they give the same level of service to consumer, as well as consumer as well as Commonwealth Bank should develop online application for client to make appointment, and then show in the real time what their position and expect wait time to make the process of waiting line more efficient. About the physical distribution, Commonwealth Bank should keep clean up at the ATM machine, the best one outside of the bank. And then about the product, the bank could offer additional credit card products with the incentive that if you fulfill certain criteria, then the customer can choose from the selection of required such as gift card or remoted product. With the prices service, Commonwealth Bank could develop discount scheme where the more banking service you purchase from Commonwealth Bank, the higher discount on certain fees you are entitled to. You could encourage customer to this could encourage customer to be loyal to the bank to gain discount benefits. About the physical distribution, Commonwealth Bank could monitor ranges with the lowest customer traffic and research whether alternative locations could result in increased customer traffic. In terms of promotion, the bank should consider sponsoring charity to develop a good reputation with international customer. Um, Developing an international brand could attract more international customer to the bank. The next one I will go to talk about Commonwealth Bank failures in providing services and include the recommendation to improve it. The British population vote their assist from the Europe. The British pound currency was going down to 30 years lows. Commonwealth Bank temporarily suspended the current exchange cause it's causing Australian customer in the UK to stranded without access to their money. Customer learned of the suspension after inquiring about the situation on the social media platforms such as Twitter and Facebook. When the bank relied to individual versions on the matter, online word of mouth communication exploit and collective outrage pressure Commonwealth Bank to lift the suspension. Customer expected to have guarantee access to the funds in their account, but the access were temporarily denied. The customer expectation therefore exceeded the service the bank delivered to prevent such an issue from happening again. In this case, Commonwealth Bank should publish press releases and make official posts on their social media account and website for any unforeseen change to the provision of their service. The second case is about the the past year, there have been at least 2 occasions when Commonwealth Bank were required to refund massive number of customers due to overcharging either on unfair fees or failing to the honor promise merit in interest rates and fees. The recommendation for the second case is that a Commonwealth Bank should promote ethical business practice by providing internal reviews of charge for the product to actively identify whether systematic mistake already exists, and then they should actively seek mistake that need to correct it to prevent the negative consequences and possible loss of business follow avoidable. And thank you for watching.